You can pull down the old one. And adding the retrofit one right into the space. It's really simple. Okay, so unplug the old motor. And then it has tabs in here. I'm gonna push this up and pull that down so it gets that tab out of that spot. And then this just tilt this right down and this comes out. And there's some stuff in there, so we'll do some cleanup there. I'm gonna just use this little brush end to brush all this out. And I'll have to vacuum it up. It's really not too bad though, considering it's been 15 years. Okay, let's go open this box. Okay, this is the upgrade kit for that fan. It makes it a little bit quieter and moves more air and has a light as part of it.
Taxi!
Okay, so this is the light portion of it. All right. So it's the LED upgrade. It has a new vent top on it and an LED attached to it, or as part of it. Then this is the actual fan portion of it. Let's see if we can get this out of there. All right, so this is the fan part of it. So just pop that open. And it's got a lot of packaging there. Well done. All right. So pop that part off. So, and I won't be using this portion of it. I'll be using this portion, of course. And this is so stinking simple to install. I mean, it's really just plug it in, pop it into place. All right. This has two sets of these spring pieces in case you need a deeper one. So you can see the difference in lengths and heights on that. But I just needed the one. The one that's already on there was long enough. Okay, and then this is the plug portion of it. Okay, so let's go put these in. So again, the installation of this is ridiculously easy. So you've got the cutout here that goes with the outlet there. So we'll turn it that direction. And of course, the motor down, the fan up. So it's going to go into that direction. So these two tabs will go up in there first, and there's a hole for each of those. And then this side just tilts into there, and you just push that up into place. There, and it just snaps in, and that's it. that. And if you were putting the old grill on, then you would just plug this in and that would be done. With the light kit, it adds this connector also, which gets plugged in. So just plug in the fan into there. Okay. And then that gets plugged in. And that's it for the connectors. And then squeeze these little guys and stick it into the hole up there. Okay, so pop those in there and then they get pushed up into place. And then that's it. Okay, quieter and brighter. Okay, so this part just simply cools down. It's on the little spring pieces in here. I don't know if you can see them. You just give it a squeeze. You just squeeze it like this. It's just in a little slot. You can see the other side. And that's all there is to that. And this is very clean because this one rarely gets used. We'll probably use the new one more because it has the light on it. This is right over the front. This is right over the front of our dryer. Okay. So this unplugs here. All right. Okay. So that pops that little tab out of that hole and then just pull it down. And the other side's just held in by two little tabs in slots. So that's it, you just tilt it down. And that's what the old fan, looks like. And then this is what the new fan looks like. So completely different. Yeah, so completely different fan profile. Let's see if we can see them both. That's the difference of them, considerably different shape. This is the outlet and there's the cutout for that. So that's how you line it up. You just put these two pieces up in the slots right where the old ones came out and just tilt this into place. There we go. And it just pops into that space. And that's it. Okay. I'm going to just squish the little spring piece and it goes into the slot. There we go. And so it can just hang there. And then this piece just plugs in. Okay. Okay, you can see it just plugs in and then that plugs into there. Okay, so that's into the spots and then just push it up into place and that holds it up into there.